Republic Day speech. Good morning everyone. My name is Janvi. Today is 26th January. At first I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Republic Day is one of the most important national festival of India. On this day in 1950, the Constitution of India came into force. That is why we celebrate Republic Day every year on 26th January. In 2026, we are celebrating our 77th Republic Day with great pride and joy. The Constitution gives us many rights such as the right to freedom, equality, and education. It also teaches us our duty toward our country. Our great leaders like Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, and many freedom fighters worked very hard to make India a free and democratic country. On Republic Day, we see the Grand Parade in New Delhi. Soldiers, students, and different states show India's culture and strength. The national flag reminds us of unity, courage, and peace. We should love our country, respect our constitution, and become responsible citizens. Let us promise to work hard for a better and stronger India. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.